Hey guys, welcome back to Floor Plan Friday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. This week we're going to talk about the Rockdale plan, which is the April plan of the month. One of my favorite plans and really ideal for a lower level design. If you've got a property that has moderate to steep slope and you're looking for that ideal lower level design, this is a great plan to consider. The Rockdale is a two-story with a main level master suite on the main, a guest bedroom on the main, and then a lower level with either a garage or a fourth bedroom. There is about 2,480 square feet total of heated square footage, with 1,667 square feet on the main floor, and then about 813 square feet on the lower level. And that is of conditioned square footage, not including the garage. Let's take a look at the main floor plan and some of the features. One thing I love about this particular design is this center section kitchen, great room area. It's all vaulted with an exposed beam timber ceiling with a steep roof pitch. And then you've got a breakfast nook or a dining nook off of the great room. You've got a master bedroom wing that has your spacious master bath and walk-in closet. And I love how this is separated from the left wing, which has another guest bedroom. We get a lot of clients that are looking for two bedrooms on the main. Instead of having just a master suite on the main, they want at least another bedroom. This bedroom could serve as a flex room, could be an office, could be a mother-in-law suite, could be just a nice spacious guest bedroom, but you've got a separate bathroom. You've got a laundry room here, which is off the main floor, right off the kitchen, which is a nice space. And if need be, we could always design in a half bath up on this main floor. It's got a nice, spacious, separated entry, so you don't come straight into the kitchen. You come into an entry, and if you wanted to create a little drop zone or a walk-in closet for this entryway, you could. I love the fact also that everything about this design is towards the view side. So you've got your master bedroom with outswing French doors onto a covered enclosed screen porch. You've got an open vaulted exposed beam timber ceiling for the extended covered porch. And then you've got an open deck off of the breakfast nook or dining nook. So a lot of outdoor space off this backside. This is really an ideal design for a lake or a mountain property or something that you're trying to take advantage of a view with. So that's the main floor plan. Again, about 1,667 square feet, two bedrooms and two bath on the main. The lower level design has a nice spacious family room. This could be a rec room if you were wanting to do that for grandkids. It's got a guest bedroom, a nice spacious guest bedroom with its own private bath. A lot of storage space, mechanical room, and a workshop nook off of the garage. This garage area, if you weren't doing a garage, could always be converted to a fourth bedroom with another full bath and walk-in closet. So this technically could be a 4-bedroom design and a 3.5 or a 4.5 bath design if you wanted to. Nice storage area if you wanted to store an ATV or a UTV, or this is good for outdoor lawn equipment. But really spacious lower level area, nice garage area if you wanted to have a lower level garage. And the lower level is about 813 square feet of conditioned space as it sits with this 3-bedroom design. So let's take a look at the exterior elevations. This is the back of the house, is the rendering of the particular floor plan. And then again, if you want to go to our website and look at the 3D 360-degree virtual renderings, you can. This is the rear of the home, looking at the corner of the master suite. So you've got your master bedroom enclosed screen porch, and then you've got the 2 windows in the bedroom. And then as we pan around, and we'll come back to this side, but the great room area has 2 French doors on either side of the fireplace. You've got a fireplace in the great room and a fireplace on the outdoor porch with this timber roof system extended out over the covered porch area, which makes for great outdoor entertainment, outdoor living space, and becomes kind of an extension of the great room. As you can see in the rendering, we've mixed up the architectural finishes from this log wall to a conventionally frame wall with a cedar shake siding on it. Just mixes up the architecture a little bit, and then you've got all your foundation walls could be covered with natural or cultured stone, or you could end up doing stucco if you wanted to cut some cost. So as we move around, this is the breakfast or the dining nook, which is actually a frame structure with a vaulted timber ceiling. And that comes right off of the great room, which is a nice space. Got a lot of windows and a lot of glass. Like I said, this is a great design for a view lot. And then as you can see on the lower level, this is your storage or garage door for ATVs or UTVs. And then you've got a double garage for 2 cars off of this lower level underneath this guest bedroom wing. This is the window in the guest bedroom, and this is the guest bedroom wing, which holds the full bath, the guest bedroom, and a closet area. So as we move over to the entry, you can see it's got a nice little gabled roof coming into a separated entryway. And then that goes from the entry into the kitchen hallway and then opens up into this center section, which, as I said, the center section is all vaulted with an exposed beam timber ceiling. And when you walk in, you're able to see out of the back of that great room area, out of those double doors, the windows in the gable. It's just great for that view side of the house. This is the kitchen window. And then over here is your a master suite, master wing, so to speak, with your master bath and walk-in closet in the front, and then the master bath or the master bedroom, excuse me, in the rear of the home. So these are the elevations of this floor plan. You can check this out on our website at stonemill.com. Go to our floor plan section and feel free to take a look at these 360-degree virtual renderings. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions about the Rockdale or any of our standard plans, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Until then, please stay safe and healthy, and we look forward to you joining us next month for more Floor Plan Friday. Take care.